it's Joy with Enjoy It Healthy, and I'm just going to do a quick cocktail for you that is just like a blast from the past for me anyway. It's a strawberry daiquiri, but I'm doing it a little bit healthier. So I have a cup, well this is very generous, it's probably a cup and a half of organic strawberries. They're washed. I left the stems on and I'm just going to dump them, they're fresh, dump those right in there. And then I have 3 pitted dates. Make sure to take the pits out because you don't want that. That's going to be our sweetener. Okay. Now, strawberry daiquiris are typically made with Malibu rum and has like coconut extract and it's sweetened with something. I'm not sure what. I couldn't find. I was trying to look for what it was sweetened with. So we're going to replace those, and we're just going to use Bacardí Superior Rum, which has 0 carbs and 0 sugar. So for the coconut flavor, we're just going to use some of this coconut milk. It's organic and unsweetened from the can. Shook it up. That's half of a cup. And we're also going to put half a cup of the Bacardí. So this makes two drinks. Okay. So we need some fresh lime. That makes all the difference. Give that lime a little roll to get the juices going there, and we're gonna squeeze both halves in there. 1 and 2. All you need are 2 cups of ice cubes. We're going to roll that up. Simple as that. Cap on here. Okay. This is delicious and nutritious. Okay, so if you have fresh pineapple, just replace the strawberries with pineapple, and guess what? You have a Piña Colada. Cheers. Thanks for watching.